Don't stop, turn off the lights. Nauseous when I wake up. Don't quit, I fell for you. Don't break it in two. Long time before I knew us two would follow through.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. This is the first video of the new year and I am super excited. I am still taking Christmas down and I am doing a lot of cleaning and decorating in this video. So definitely watch from beginning to end. I really appreciate it because it helps my channel out so much. And I want to thank you all so much for all of your support, amazing support this past year. And oh my gosh, I just love y'all so much. You guys are amazing. The way that y'all love on me and my channel and you know all the content that I've been putting out tirelessly, you guys. But I am so grateful for you guys. Thank you all so much for your support. And I am so excited about what is coming in this new year for our channel and just, you know, all the wonderful content that's going to be coming out. So thank you guys so much. I love y'all and appreciate you guys so much. So if you are new here, welcome. My name is Shushana. On my channel, I do a lot of cleaning videos, lifestyle vlogs, home decor, seasonal decor. So if that's something that you are interested in, I do upload weekly. I would love for you to consider subscribing and definitely becoming a part of our family here on YouTube. Also, leave your name down below and let me know where you are watching from. Leave your comments down in the comment section because I love talking with my fams, you guys. So today's video is just going to be, like I said, a clean and decorating with me. I'm doing my family room and I'm also doing the clean and decorating in my dining room. So y'all stay tuned and enjoy the music, enjoy the video, and let's get into this cleaning. So guys, I'm actually not going to be taking down my Christmas tree because my daughter loves it. So I decided that I'm just going to leave it up for the remaining of January and then I'll take it down at the end of January. So I'm just taking off all the Christmassy things that's on the tree right now and kind of just leaving all the other like gold and whites and stuff like that that blends in with my regular decor.
I met him on a sunny day in late July and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind.
Okay guys, so I took down all the stuff from off of the console table that's right here. And I'm going to be moving that console table over to the corner over there and then, you know, redecorate with this stuff. And so I just put all this stuff here for now. A lot of this stuff I am still going to be using in my normal everyday decor. So let's go ahead and transfer everything, move everything around and see how that works.
Easy, so tell me how to let go, 'cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own.
I swear I keep breaking things. I don't know what is the problem. Like I keep breaking baubles, Christmas trees. I broke the wheel off of the table just now. I am just like, I don't know what is happening. Maybe it's a sign that's telling me I need to get some new furniture and new home decor. I don't know. Hey, let's see.
But you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go. Cause we wanted different things and I have to deal with it. But it's not easy, so tell me how to let go. Cause you really seem to know how to carry on.
So this is the way that this looks, you guys, and I love it over here. Honestly, ever since I decorated for Christmas, we got the new sectional. I've been wanting to move this piece here in the corner just to see how it would look, and it looks incredible. And I think too it's going to kind of take up some of this wall space that I have going. I am going to be doing some new, you know, artwork and things like that on this wall. But for now, I think that this looks great, and let's go ahead and decorate it and see how it looks.
I'm off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind. Lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. Don't tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. 'Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it. But it's not easy, so tell me how to let go. 'Cause you really seem to know how to carry on. How to carry on.
I have this wax warmer that I got from my job. My boss gave it to me for Christmas, and y'all, I just love it so much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add that on to there.
Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. 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 All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. 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 Be wanna be with, wanna be with, wanna be with, wanna be with, wanna be with.
So guys, I know that you guys are always asking me about Nyla, how's she doing and everything. She's always in the videos with me. So here she is. She's sitting down. She's kind of helping me with the pillows. I put them on the couch, she takes them off. I put them back on, she takes them off. So I just wanted to just let you know Nyla was helping me out a little bit today, and she loves her Kindle, you guys. The only thing with that is she likes to touch the screen and swipe. So every time you put like a video on for her, she swipes the screen and then it goes on to something else that, you know, she doesn't like to watch. So if you guys have any ideas, I tried locking the screen, but it only stops the screen from moving, from like, you know, shifting to up and down or whatever, but it doesn't actually stop her from swiping. So if you guys have any ideas, let a sister know, please.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone else around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new.
Okay, you guys, and this is what the living room is looking like, and I love the simplicity of it all. It feels so good. It feels light. It feels eerie, and I can't wait to really like bring some new pieces in this living room and really bring it to life. I'm almost wanting to take this tree down. I'm not gonna lie. I've had it up for 2 months and I'm kind of ready for it to go, but I think my family feels differently. So, but I'm so ready to take it down and kind of just make the place air out a little bit more. My fireplace, I didn't do anything really to the mantle. I just added some brass candlesticks and just that little dough bowl looking thing. I didn't really do much to it. Honestly, I had like this big elaborate garland that I placed on top of it, but I just didn't like the way that it looks. So I just went for the simple look, and I think that it looks nice. It makes the space feel very light. And I just love my sectional, you guys. We curl up on the sectional and just enjoy movies, enjoy games, family game night, and just have a good time. So I love the neutrality of the colors, the couch, and all of the tone on tone. So let me know what you guys think about it. So after this clip, you're going to see my dining room. Y'all know I took the Christmas decorations down in there, so you're going to get to see me decorate it, clean it out, and decorate it for, I guess, for the winter.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Something
in my dining room, you guys, I am so like, I'm over it. Y'all know I've been struggling with my dining room for the last few years, and I'm kind of just like over the look of it. I'm ready for something new and something different. So this room is definitely getting a whole makeover. Like, we're going to be doing the walls. I'm going to be doing a wall treatment. We're getting brand new furniture in here, new rugs in here, and really just doing it up. Also, we're going to be breaking the wall down between the dining room and the kitchen. So we're enlarging that space, and we're going to be adding like a kitchen island, redoing the kitchen. So this whole area, the dining room, the kitchen, is getting like a complete transformation this year. And I am super duper excited about it. I cannot wait, okay? Because I need more space in my kitchen, and I feel like because our kids are older now, it's going to be 3 years that we've been living in this house, and our kids are older. So they're just big for everything. They're, you know, taller than me and my husband almost. And it's like, we need more space in this dining room. So I cannot wait. Definitely make sure you guys are subscribed so that you will continue to join us along this journey of making our house a home.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel.
So thank you guys so much for joining me today, for watching, and for spending this time with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next episode, and I am super excited. Happy New Year. I hope you guys are having a great kickoff to your New Year so far. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon. Remember that Jesus is Lord, that He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye, guys.
Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like